friends. Hello, hello. How is everybody doing today? I welcome you. My name is Angie with Olymp Trade. Today we are going to speak about the platform, and our main topic is going to be FTT, that's fixed time trading. I'm going to show you all where everything is located and how to use the fixed time trading. So anybody that's new here today, anybody joining us for the first time, I welcome you. This is going to be very useful for everybody, especially for our newcomers, our new traders. First and foremost, let's go ahead and check the sound in the picture. You know, I'm working from home, so we just need to make sure that you guys can hear me and that you can see me well. So go ahead and let me know in chat if everything is well, and of course, then we will get started. So I also like to ask our dear traders, our viewers, our anybody that's joining us, I like to ask what country you are joining from. I'm very interested to find out. You know, being in quarantine, we're stuck at home, we're working from home, you know, full time, but it's really always really nice to see everybody, you know, where everybody's joining from. It almost feels like I'm going out and meeting with friends. Let's see here. Godfather, well, thank you very much. Blessmate has a plus. Thank you so much for letting me know. Hello from Egypt, Mohammed. Wow, hello. Sound and video are looking good. Harry, thank you. Thank you very much. I do see everybody. Monoj Vijayarajas. What a beautiful, beautiful name. And I do apologize if I mispronounce your names ever. I do try my best. From India. Hello, hello. Wow, from Middle East, Dubai, from Ghana. I see. I'm going to be shifting my focus over here, but then of course when I'll be showing my platform, I'm not going to have my video on because we had some issues last time with some lagging. So I do want to make sure that you guys can see everything that I'm showing you. So hello from Nigeria. Blessmate is asking, are we going to have any risk-free trade gifts today? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Please stay tuned. Please give me just a minute. Good day from Indonesia. Hello, hello, George. Hello, Vinay from India. Everybody, welcome once again. Thank you so much for joining me. And once again, today's topic is going to be fixed time trading. That's FTT. We'll go over the platform. I'll show you how everything works, and go from there. Alrighty, well. Now that everything is well, and by the way, I want to mention that today we're going to have our focus on fixed time trading. And then, of course, please join me tomorrow at the same time on Thursday. And we're going to have the same kind of stream where we're going to talk about Forex. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and switch switch to the platform. Let's see here. Rahul is saying app is not working. Do you mean the mobile app? Are you working from a tablet or a phone? I would recommend for you guys to please contact our support team. They can definitely help you better. They will ask you what kind of device you are using and so forth, and will definitely help you fix the issue. Unfortunately, my hands are tied here. Hello from Pakistan. Hello from Nigeria. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to see everybody here. Woohoo! All right, let's get started. Go ahead and go to the platform. My face has disappeared, but I'm here. No worries, no worries. The first thing that I would like to let you guys know, of course, is our bonuses. And for the first thing is our promo code. You see it displayed on the chart right now. The promo code is SAFE and then the number 13. This will add 30% to your deposit, and you can use it until next Monday, which is April the 20th. So my friends, please enjoy once again this the promo code. You see it displayed on the chart right now. It is SAFE and then the number 13. So my friends, enjoy, and I will of course announce it once more at the end of the stream. The second thing that I wanted to show you guys for today regarding the risk-free trade, we are going to have a little raffle at the end of the stream. Basically, what we do is during certain streams, we ask you guys to leave comments below the video or below the stream once it's posted on our YouTube channel. And then the following week, what we do is we choose a random comment and we give out prizes, for example, risk-free trades. And so, for example, if you go to our YouTube channel, so this is just our homepage. So we had we had a really interesting day yesterday. We had a live trading with four of our analysts. We started with Yaroslav, then me, then Nick, and then Alex. It was really exciting, because each of our analysts has a different approach or different strategies and different ideas. And so basically, we had a really great live trading day. I definitely enjoyed it. I hope you did too, and I hope we have more of these later. Now, what I want you to do is, if you go to our homepage, that's Olymp Trade Global. This is just the homepage of our YouTube channel, and then find this video right here. This is from last week. The stream was called "How to Start Trading on the Olymp Trade platform." And basically, if you click on here, this will take you to this video, to this stream. So basically from last week. And what I asked you to do was I asked you to leave comments below this video. As we can see, we only have 5 comments, which is very surprising. And during this live stream today at the end, so you guys stay tuned, I am going to choose one. I'm just going to paste this link into this instant YouTube random comment picker. It's called Raffle Dash, and it's going to choose one random comment, and I'm going to give out a risk-free trade. Now, since I'm going to do this at the end of the stream, you guys still have the opportunity to participate. So once again, all you do is you go to the homepage, you find this "How to Start Trading on the Olymp Trade platform." This will take you to this video right here. Leave your comments below this video, and don't forget to include your this ID right here, so that I can assign the risk-free trade to your appropriate account. So my friends, if you're not taking part yet, go ahead. You still have a little bit of time. And now let's go ahead and proceed with my stream. And so the Olymp Trade platform offers 2 fantastic instruments to trade on. The instruments are called fixed time trading and Forex. So there is a little bit of a difference between these 2 trading instruments, and it differs about how you get your profit. And today I'm going to tell you everything about fixed time trading, and then tomorrow I will tell you about Forex. So in the upper left corner of the platform right here, where you see like an asset, this is Euro NZD, that's the euro against the New Zealand dollar. If we click, you see this arrow. If we click here, here is where you can choose between the 2 different trading instruments. So we click on fixed time trading, and also this is where you can also see the different assets that are available to trade on the Olymp Trade platform. So there is cryptocurrency, all kind of different ones. There is Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin, Zcash, and all kind of ones that you can choose from. There are different indices, and these are basically like a combination of different stocks. They're usually for different regions, like for example the Euro Stocks 50, that's for the Eurozone. The DAX is the German index. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, that's the United States. FTSE 100 is for the United Kingdom. Nikkei, you can always, of course, see the flag right here. So that's Japan, Hong Kong, and France, the CAC 40. Let's see here. Yes. The next thing that we can choose from is the commodities. Don't forget about our commodities. There's Brent oil, silver, gold, platinum, copper, natural gas. So my friends, please enjoy. Stocks are basically different famous company stocks like the Facebook, Boeing, Apple, Tesla. They do open at a certain time, so pay attention to that. Of course, we have our different currency pairs like the famous Euro US dollar, the most traded currency pair in the world, and all kind of other ones. And of course, you can also filter the asset by major currency pairs. Major currency pairs are currency pairs that usually contain the United States dollar. And then you can also filter by rate of return. So this is our profitability rate, which I will explain in just a second. As a matter of fact, I think we'll go over that right now. So basically, next to each asset right here, you have, it says rate of return. You can also filter it here by higher or lower. This rate of return is, is how our profit is determined and the profit amount is actually fixed. So you know exactly how much your profit will be when you open the trade, and it will not change. So don't forget that with fixed time trading, your profit is fixed. So when you look at this rate of return, this percentage, our profit depends on the amount of our trade. So let's say I choose the Euro NZD, that's the Euro against the New Zealand dollar. And another thing that I would like to mention is that with Olymp Trade, you cannot lose more than the amount of your trade. So basically, you see here that I have $7,956 on my account. But if I enter my trade for $100, $100 is potentially the maximum amount that I can lose, regardless of how much I have on my account. So now, once again, about the percentage rate, this 82 right here. Let me just explain how it works. Let's say that my trade is going to be open for $100. The rate of return is 82. If my forecast is correct, my profit is going to be $82. So back to my account, I'm going to have the $100 plus the $82 from the percentage, from the rate of return. So it will be plus one. So you don't lose this $100, of course. You just gain plus $82. So that's $182 if the forecast is correct. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, Angie, what do you mean by our forecast? So how does fixed time trading work? Whenever we choose our asset, what we do is we forecast, we predict if the price will be either higher than the current price after a certain period of time, or the price will be lower than the current price after a certain period of time. Now, this time we choose ourselves. It is called the expiration time or the duration time of the trade. And you can find it right here where it says 2 hours. Normally, as a suggestion, or actually as a recommendation, the expiration time, this duration time, should be times 2 or times 3 the time frame that we are looking at. So as an example, let's say that I am working on the 1 hour time frame. My expiration time should be either 2 hours or 3 hours. So this is just like a suggestion and a recommendation. Also, for example, if I choose the 4 hour time frame, basically, so this means that this candlestick right here represents the price change within the last 4 hours. If it's 1 hour, then it means that each candlestick represents the price change within that 1 hour. So if I'm looking at the 4 hour time frame, my expiration time should be 8 hours or 12 hours. Likewise scenario, a lot of traders also like to use lower time frames, and this is also a great approach to trading. So basically, it does take a little bit more of a concentration and fast reaction because, of course, the price is moving and the candlesticks are changing every 5 minutes, so very fast movement. If I'm looking at the 5 minute time frame, my expiration time, I would change right here to let's see here, about 10 to 15 minutes. So of course you can adjust all of these times to your preference and according to the situation on the financial market. Another thing that I want to mention with the expiration time, when we choose the expiration time, we can choose in how long we want the trade to close. So you can choose 8 hours, 2 hours, like predetermined time. You can choose your own time, so choose the hour as well as the minute, or you can also click on this expiration right here, and you can actually choose a specific time, like a clock, when the trade will close. So just don't forget that there are different parameters that you can choose. So you can choose in how long, or you can choose at what time. Now, the maximum amount of the trade for fixed time trading is 23 hours. Now, another thing that you can do with the fixed time trading is that you can set an order by clicking right here. It says order. If you click here, basically you just set the parameters and the trade will open either You can choose the asset. You can choose for the trade to open at a specific price. So that's quote. Or you can choose for it to open at a specific time. So by asset price or by time. And by the way, another thing that I want to mention, my friends, is that if you are new to the platform, I want to mention that you should not be afraid of the platform. So make sure that you explore all of the menu options and the buttons, because in order for you to trade comfortably and profitably, you need to be acquainted with the platform. So you need to be comfortable with the platform. You need to know exactly where you can find things. And where everything is located. For example, right here, if you're just joining us for the first time or if you're new to the platform, check out all of these menu buttons here and here. Of course, we have different streams that explain all of these buttons. But if you click on settings right here, just you can, for example, right here, you can choose one-click trade, one-click close. Basically, what this means is that when you click on, for example, a price increase, it's going to open automatically. If we don't have this chosen, it's going to give us another window for a confirmation. So just make sure that you have these parameters set for your convenience. For example, here in the charts, don't forget, just click on everything. There's nothing wrong with here. You just make sure that you click on everything, you find everything that's available. For example, we have strike prices here, which I will explain in just a second. As you can see, if I turn this off, then it disappears from here. If I turn this on, then it's here. And the order button is also here. For example, pending orders. You see the order right here that I was just telling you about? If I click right here, then it disappears. So just don't forget to check all of these settings and this menu option so that you're trading comfortably and you are using all of the advantages of the platform. And just for a quick second, back to the order option, so we can choose. So this is like you're opening a trade for in the future. We can choose it by an asset price or by a specific time. You can also change the return rate right here. So for example, 80. You see the rate of return, this percentage. It tends to fluctuate. It changes depending on the asset and depending on the situation in the market. Sometimes it can happen that the rate of return can drop to 60. Sometimes it can be as low as 10%. And just in order to make sure that when your trade opens, you can change this amount. So, for example, if it's set to 80, and the price reaches right here, but the percentage, the rate of return drops to 10, the trade won't open. Of course, we do want to try to open our trades with the maximum rate of return percentage, because that is how our profit is derived. That is how our profit is going to be determined. And let's see here. The next thing I would like to tell you about is the basically these buttons right here. So when we choose the amount of our trade, we choose the duration of the trade. And then, of course, we click on the green button if we believe that the price will be higher than the current price after this specific time. And we click on the red button if we believe that the price will be lower than the current price after this specific time. Don't forget that we choose ourselves. And last but not least, I would like to tell you about this middle price right here. It's called the strike price. So if you click on the strike price, you will see a higher price and a lower price. Sometimes you will see two higher prices and two lower prices. So as you can see here, the rate of return percentage will also change. Now this is because, for example, if we choose a higher price than the current price, the probability of a down trade is more probable, or you have more advantage in this case, because the rate of return will be and consequently the rate of return will be lower, because if we choose a strike price that is higher than the current price, we're basically opening our trade at a higher price than the current price. That means there is more of a chance that the price will be lower than that price after the expiration time. So so the rate of return, this percentage will change. And we have the same scenario if we choose a lower price than the current price. So the rate of return for an up trade, so for price increase, will be lower because you have more advantage. Now, the situation and the rate of return will be different. It will be different at different times. It really just depends. And then you can always come back to that middle one where it has the same rate of return. That's the strike price, that is the current price on the financial market. So, like I mentioned, the rate of return will be different at different times and for different assets. We just have to remember that this option is available for us to use. Now, let's see here. I wanted to mention, I just wanted to open one trade for you guys. So, for example, this is the Euro and New Zealand dollar. And what I notice is that basically I have this local trend line down. This was from the end of March, so we have a downtrend, and we see that this the price has broken above our trend line and broken about all three of our moving averages. The thing is that the reason what I would like to show you is that I always check the a time frame higher and the time frame lower. So just to a time frame higher will always give you a more global picture of what's going on the financial market and with this current asset. I am going to enter this trade down. The reason being, yes, I do see this these breakouts of this trend line, and also the price broke above the moving averages, but I do have rejection of higher prices, and I'm showing that the price is making lower lows, so it's kind of going down. It had a hard time breaking this level. And when I look at the more global picture on the 1 day time frame, I see that the price has reached the 13 EMA. That's my fast moving average, and generally speaking, we had a downtrend, and the reason I'm going to open a downtrend is I see that the price has stalled here. It's having a hard time getting past this 13 EMA. This could be a false breakout. It could be, but on the other hand, this could be a potential change in trend. But since it's having a hard time getting past this level of resistance right now, I do believe that the price, and as you can see here, we are making lower lows on lower time frames. I'm working on the 1 hour time frame. I believe that the price will be lower than the current price. Now, as I'm working on the 1 hour time frame, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose ×3. And what I will do here is I'll change this from minute and I'll change this to 3 hours. So once again, I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. The duration of my trade will be ×3. It will be 3 hours. It could be 2 hours. It could be 3 hours. And of course, you can adjust it according to your preference and your strategy. But I'm going to choose 3 hours, and I'm going to click the red button because I believe the price will be lower than the current price after 3 hours. Bam. And I have opened my trade. And that is how this works. Let me go ahead and check in chat how everybody is doing, and then we'll have a raffle draw for risk-free trade. Let's see here. Lasana is saying I need to deposit $30. Can you help me? With all deposit and withdrawals, basically, you can click, forgive me, just 2 seconds. If you click on this, the bottom of the this side menu bar on the left hand side, if you click on more, you can click on deposit, and this will take you to your profile where you can have and all the options for deposit and withdrawal will be shown to you. There's different payment systems, so definitely check it out. If you have any issues with your deposit or withdrawal, you can click on this help icon and contact our support team. Let's see here. If you click on support, you can read the FAQ. You can open a live chat. I like live chat. It's pretty much all I use nowadays. Or you can actually reach out via email or by phone. So however it's more comfortable for you. Let's see here. How can I get the master class from last week so I can comment? My friends, Shorty Gal, I did show you. All you have to do is go to our YouTube channel. And by the way, these are our future. These are our future streams, so you can also set yourself a reminder so you guys don't miss them. So you'll have like a little notification come up when the live stream comes on, so you don't miss it. Oh, I'm sorry. So basically, you go to this live, just the homepage of our YouTube channel, and you click on this "How to Start Trading on the Olymp Trade platform." This will take you to this video. This is where you had to leave your comments below the video. So you just type your comment, and I will choose random comments right now. Let's see here. Anybody else in chat? Let me just check how everything is doing. Stream is from newcomers, not a trading stream. Well, no. Oh, that was from my colleagues. So they have been helping me out in chat. Fantastic, fantastic, great. So my friends, let's go ahead and do the raffle draw. Raffle draw for a risk-free trade. As you can see, this is the stream from last week. All I'm doing is I'm clicking on share. I am copying the link to the post. I am going to raffle dash, and basically all I'm doing is I'm pasting the link to the stream right here. And if you guys are ready, I'm going to go ahead and pick a random comment. Are you ready? Let's go. Woohoo! And our winner for today is going to be Nasri Amari. Congratulations. The comment was, "I love Olymp Trade." Woohoo, we love you too. One of the best trading platforms in the world. Nasri Amari, thank you very much. I have your ID number, and you are our winner for today's risk-free trade. Thank you so much for participating. And my friends, make sure that you guys don't miss out on any of our future streams because we always have different events and different bonuses. Of course, a lot of giveaways. Don't forget to keep also track of our community. So basically, when you go to our homepage, a lot of people don't know, but there is this section. It's called, there's home, video, playlist, and community. And if you click on community, we have a lot of different posts, different contests, a lot of information. So you guys don't forget to check this section right here of the YouTube channel as well. Harry S is saying congrats to Amari. We have a new joiner from Oman. Wonderful. So my friends, once again, let me go ahead and switch this a little bit. I'm back. Now you see me. Once again, I just want to thank everybody for coming and for watching and for participating and for joining in chat, for leaving your comments. During this time of quarantine, it's really hard. We're stuck at home. Maybe some people are, it may be lonely for some people. We've been on quarantine for quite some time now, so it's really odd. I love joining you guys for live streams. It almost feels like I'm going out with my friends and I'm collaborating and I'm joining and I'm talking to everybody. So thank you. I just wanted to say thank you everyone for joining and for coming. I do hope that you guys continue coming to our live streams and joining us. It's going to be great. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, give me a like, show me your support. And my friends, join me tomorrow and we are going to have a stream. We'll talk about Forex. I'll tell you the difference between fixed time trading and Forex. I'll explain how the profit is derived. We'll open a trade, of course, and basically it's going to be fun and it's going to be interesting. So my friends, once again, thank you so much for joining and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.